morning, everyone. Welcome to Eat Good TV. Thanks for all the subscribers, the new subscribers, the old subscriber, the people who share the channel. I really appreciate it. This morning, I'm going to make one of my favorite breakfasts. It's my date walnut shake. I'm going to make it for you. I have the dates here, the walnut, and this is flaxseed. This should be just plain flaxseed, but I don't have any plain flaxseed this morning, so I'm using some of my mixed flaxseed. So this should be flaxseed. This will be 2 tablespoons of flaxseed, and this is molasses. This is 1 glass of water. If you like milk, you can put milk, but I prefer to use water in this shake. Because a lot of people like to use milk, but I'm using water in this shake. This date walnut shake, I like to use water in it. So I'm going to pour a glass of water in my blender. And I'm going to pour the dates in. And dates is very good for your date. Date is the #1 source of, it helps your brain. And it's natural sugar. Dates is natural sugar. So if you're diabetic, you can use it to sweeten your coffee. Just blend it and pour it in the coffee. If you're diabetic, just, you're making your coffee in the morning, just put the dates in the coffee, like 4 dates in the coffee with your milk, or if you drink it plain, and just blend it up in the coffee in the morning. Date and honey is a good sweetener. And we're gonna pour in our flaxseed. And the flaxseed, it helps fight inflammation, and it's a great source of fiber. And next we are gonna pour in our walnut. And walnut help with weight loss. It helps lower your blood sugar. It helps lower your cholesterol. It's a great source of omega-3 fatty acid. Plus it also help, with your heart, good heart health. And we all need that. We need our heart healthy to function. That's why I go to the doctor and check mine every year, my heart, to make sure my heart is working good. Because if your heart not working good, then you know something is wrong. So I go and I do an x-ray, on the heart to make sure the heart is good and the heart is not swelling, stuff like that. I really go every year to check my heart. And I tell my doctor, I want my heart to check today. And he say, heart? I say, yes, every year I have to check the heart to make sure the heart is functioning good. And the next one I'm going to just pour in, let me put this over here. I'm just going to pour in the molasses. And the molasses now is a good source of bone health, because it's rich in calcium, and calcium helps your bone. So all this is good. And this is just regular molasses I'm using, but if you can get blackstrap molasses, that's the best molasses to use. So we have everything poured in here. Everything is poured in. So I'm gonna blend it. You'll hear some noise because I'm gonna do the blending. And see how rich this is. So this is a great breakfast. And you just pour and drink it. This is good to do morning time. You know, you just do this in the mornings. So that's your breakfast right there. Great breakfast to have. And I hope you have a wonderful day today. If you're going to work, you know, hope you have a great day at work. And if you're home working, have a great day. And if you're on the road, just driving, whatever you're doing today, have a wonderful day. And may the Lord bless and keep you and make his face shine upon you and give you his peace. Bye from Eat Good TV. Love you. Wish you all the best. Bye.